To make the fairy house, I used the juice box and removed the top. Then I covered the box with newspaper cutouts and white glue. This will make the box stronger as well as help me to stick things on it later on. Once it dried, I attached 2 halves of a toilet roll to the front. I covered the entire box with craft sticks and made sure to cover the toilet rolls as well. Then I created the roof shape using cardboard cutouts. I painted the whole box in pink and left it to dry. To add some sparkle, I covered the roof with pearl beads. I cut out thinner craft sticks and stuck them together to create the door, windows, and fence. Then I painted them in a vibrant pink. I added some letters to the door, as well as a door handle. I hot glued the doors, windows, and fence to the fairy house. The last step was to add some flowers to the fence and the bottom of the house. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please give us a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.